Raising glasses, the art of making a toast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special and celebratory phrase in the English language, a toast to someone. This phrase is rich in tradition and used in various social settings. Whether you're at a wedding, a birthday party, or any celebratory event, understanding and using this phrase can add a touch of warmth and community to the occasion. So, let's explore the meaning, origins, and how to properly make a toast to someone. When we say, a toast to someone, we're not talking about bread that's been browned by heat. In social settings, a toast is a way of honoring a person or celebrating an event where people raise their glasses and drink together as a sign of goodwill or agreement. The phrase, a toast to someone, specifically focuses on celebrating or wishing well to a particular person. It's a gesture that shows respect, admiration, or affection, often accompanied by a short speech or statement that highlights the person's achievements, qualities, or the reason for the celebration. The tradition of toasting goes back centuries and has a rich history. Originally, the term toast came from the practice of placing a piece of toasted bread in drinks to enhance the flavor. Over time, the ritual evolved into the act of drinking to honor and celebrate, with the bread no longer being a necessity. Toasting has become a universal gesture of goodwill, found in many cultures around the world, each with its unique customs and etiquette. Making a toast might seem daunting, but it's really about sincerity and timing. Here's a simple guide. 1. Get attention. Use a glass or utensil to gently clink your glass, or simply raise your voice to gather the room's attention without startling anyone. 2. Start with a greeting. Begin with a friendly opening, like, ladies and gentlemen, or friends and family, to set a welcoming tone. 3. State the purpose. Clearly mention whom you're toasting to. For example, I'd like to propose a toast to name. 4. Share your message. Offer a few heartfelt or celebratory words about the person. This could include their accomplishments, your relationship with them, or your wishes for their future. 5. Conclude with cheers. End your toast by lifting your glass and saying, to name, or simply, cheers, encouraging others to join in. Be brief. A good toast is short and sweet. Aim for no more than a few sentences. Be sincere. Authenticity resonates. Speak from the heart. Practice. If you're nervous, practice your toast beforehand to ensure a smooth delivery. Mind the setting. Adjust your tone and content to fit the occasion, whether it's formal or casual. Toasting is a beautiful tradition that helps strengthen bonds and commemorate special moments. Now that you understand the meaning and etiquette behind a toast to someone, you're ready to partake in this timeless ritual. Whether you're at a grand celebration or a small gathering, a well-delivered toast can leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video enriches your next celebratory moment. Cheers to learning and sharing in the joy of toasts.